So Eggshell is one of the most popular paint finishes we're selling at the moment for use on woodwork, and I think it's down to its sheen level being close to matte but not quite a matte. So I wanted to show you a little bit more. So Eggshell is most commonly around about a 15 to 20% sheen level, but a lot of manufacturers will include a sheen level in their instructions on each of their products. It is popular at that sheen level because it offers a little bit of a differentiation on your woodwork from flat matte walls, but it's still not a high shine finish. So hopefully I've got a couple of boards with these on, so I'm trying to show you how shiny they are. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you now. So this is Eggshell on its own. As you can see, not a lot of shine coming off that, but I have got a comparison with other finishes for you. This is Eggshell at the front next to a matte. And finally, Eggshell next to Satin and gloss finishes. So hopefully that's provided some useful information on Eggshell. Any other questions, let me know.